Welcome to Halloween Alphabet Night. Let's see what creepy crawly things we can find. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for axe. B is for bat. C is for cat. D is for devil. E is for eyeball. F is for fang. G is for ghost. H is for haunted house. I is for insect. J is for jungle. K is for king. L is for lantern. M is for mummy. N is for night. O is for owl. P is for pumpkin. Q is for queen. R is for rope. S is for spider. T is for treat. W is for witch. U is for ugly. V is for vampire. X is for X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zombie. Well done everyone. Bye bye and happy Halloween.